Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Wi-Fi connection on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. To do it, you need to open the lid. It's attached with a magnet, so you can take it all off, just like that. And then you have this light here, which is also a reset button itself. So in order to reset the Wi-Fi connection, press this button for about a second. So like not the shortest press, but not for too long, because if you press it for over 5 seconds, then it will reset the robot fully. So if you don't want that, just press the button for 1 second.
Ready for network setup.
If it says ready for network setup or anything else about network, then you're done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.